Hello, account controller. Today I'd like to show you how to do an update mastered record. If you can go for me to the FBMS portal, at your main page, you can see user management. Select that tab. And to the left, look for FBMS access request. Select that part, and you will see all these requests. Look for update user master record. Select this and then click next. Go to step 2. You're requesting for other, and then for the user, if you already know the user SAP ID, you can type it in and then click enter. If you don't, you can go to the double square box and look for the person's first name and last name and click go. The person will populate and you can highlight that person, and it gets you to this page as well. Once you're in this step 2, this is what's in the system at this time. If the manager is correct and you don't need to change the manager and you only need to change the office code or the accounting number, you can leave it the way it is. If for some reason this is the wrong manager and you need to update to a new manager, go to the double box here at the manager field area and look for the manager. Let's say Jason Hall is the manager, and Jason is in the system in FBMS, so you're able to see him. So select his name and click OK. His name will populate. It will override this one by the time the ticket is complete. But if you cannot find the manager, it does not, let's say we're looking for a John Doe, okay, let's see, and you cannot find John Doe has a manager at all, so he's not in FBMS. So you would want to go to the function and just type john.doe@via.gov, and then it will be like this once the ticket's complete. So make sure if the manager is not in the system, you can just go over here and type in the manager's email address. This page is complete, so you go to the next page. You would explain that you want to update to new accounting number and office code, or whatever you need. Just type in the request reason, and the functional area, you would change that to Indian Affairs. At this screen, if you're going to update a Prism site ID, make sure you add the Prism system with it. So at this part, this is already defaulted for the GRC, so you don't want to touch this. Just click Add System and then select Prism and click the right arrow, single arrow key over to the right. Prism system is added. This is only when you have a Prism site ID changed to a different Prism site ID. You need to select the Prism system. Okay, if you don't have it, then you don't need to select this. You can just leave it the way it is for this system. So let's say if you wanted to update just the accounting number and the office code, you can just leave it the way it is. If you want to update the Prism site ID, you need to add in the Prism system here. Okay, so we'll move on to the custom data. Here at the custom data, I want to change the accounting number to a different one, so I change it. Same goes with the office code. Let's say I want to change it from 210 to AK200. I can change it. Like I say earlier, if you wanted to change, everything's correct here. If everything's here is correct and you just want to update the Prism site ID to a new one, and you forgot which one's the right Prism site ID for the user, you can scroll down to IA and then look for the region that you're going to change. Let's say you wanted to change Navajo region, so the user is going to change it to from A16 to A09. So select A09. It gets changed here. But make sure if you're going to change Prism site ID, again, add in the system Prism. Okay, if you don't have a change in Prism site ID, if this is blank and you don't need to change it, don't add anything with the system. Once this is done, you can go ahead and click Next, and you're here at the final page. If everything looks good, you can click Submit, and it will get to this box to do a review of this ticket, and then that's basically it as a requester. Remember, if you have any questions, you can contact us at ia_FBMS_security_team@bia.gov, or you can click on this question help center, and it will give you a list of all these work step instruction for the update master record, for role requests, etc. That's basically it. Have a great day, and just remember to hit submit if you're done. Okay, so we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.